The subject of legal education has had its fair share of the airwaves, often generating considerable interest from concerned Ghanaians. From access to quality control and professional conduct, managers of the country's legal education system have often come under intense public backlash for what many suspect are subtle attempts at constricting the education to a few. This and other reasons dragged the new Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Godfred Adame, to the premises of the Ghana School of Law to familiarize himself with the school and to know at first hand some of the challenges confronting the educators. Mr. Adame held an open-air engagement with the management, staff and students of the school, devoid of the formalities usually characterized by such engagements. He was, upon arrival, conducted around the school by Acting Director Maxwell Opoku to observe various development projects springing up. For the Acting Director, though the school is on a meager budgetary allocation used only for goods and services, the school is doing well by itself.
I believe that in public service, we should all think about how best that we can create. There's a lot of resources and facilities, but sometimes we wait on government for far too long. This school is a jewel. It's the only professional legal training, and almost all lawyers and judges have been trained here. If we cannot utilize our alumni in order to do whatever we are doing, then we are a failure. So my view, since I came in here, is just to rely on my former students, and they have also come to assist. Whatever you see here, all these things were done by former students. They contributed immensely. We have not used government money for the renovation of this place, not even one pesewa.
Maxwell Opoku, however, lamented the difficulty in providing tuition to the increased number of students. He revealed that the school suffered a near financial collapse when it controversially admitted only 128 out of the 1,830 students who applied in the 2018-2019 academic year.
Last 2 years, the admission policy of the school was that out of 1,820 who applied to enter the law school, we admitted 128. That 128 caused the almost financial collapse of the Ghana School of Law. Because with 128 to manage 3 campuses, financially it wasn't prudent, and therefore it's something that should not occur. That was the reason why last year, 2020, 2019, we admitted over 1,000 out of 2,700 who applied. Even though it was a popular demand and people gave us some funds and acclaim, it has come with enormous logistical and infrastructure challenges.
Conceding that it was the reason, admission numbers skyrocketed the following academic year. He therefore calls on the Attorney General and Minister for Justice to help the school construct a multi-purpose campus complex near UPSA to enhance access to legal education.
Time has come to construct a multi-purpose faculty building at the new site near the UPSA. We as management have used our own resources to clear the land. Actually, we have cleared the land. We have extended water to the place. We have extended electricity, but we don't have money to build it.
For the students, however, their concerns are immediate and dire. They range from school fees to the receipt of papers, among others. The Attorney General, Godfred Adame, in responding to the issues, first tackled the question of access. He hinted of a law in the works to streamline legal education and remove some of the bottlenecks hindering access.
There's an urgent need for a reform of the legal regime regulating access to the law course. And I'm happy to say that processes are underway to ensure that there will be an amendment to the Legal Profession Act to ultimately which will ultimately result in the law faculties running the professional law course. That will be the ultimate destination.